Hi, I am Marvin, currently a law student, and I'm from Cebu, Philippines, the place of city and beautiful beaches. I'm applying as your virtual legal assistant because I see the potential to grow and contribute with my proactive mindset. When I passed the remote legal staff competency program, it encouraged me more to work in a dynamic environment where I can contribute and grow. But in addition to that, an environment where I see myself in 5 years, where working as your virtual paralegal or even in a higher position. My most recent role was working as paralegal in US criminal defense law firm where I supported attorneys and legal teams remotely, helping them stay organized, meet tight deadlines, and deliver excellent services to our clients in our firms. The task that I excel at, that I'm also confident during my work as a paralegal in the U.S. Defense Criminal Law Firm, was preparing and drafting legal documents. That's one. Even AI integration prompts, case management for over thousands of files, either in Word or PDF documents, managing calendars, coordinating with clients for trial preparations, and even handling billing and emails. This wide range of responsibilities is my day-to-day task in that firm, where which I try to perfect each day. Now, the work experience as a virtual paralegal helped me become more understanding and become better of being a virtual paralegal. My goal was really simple, to make sure that the attorney I supported with could focus on practicing law while I took care everything on the operational side. In addition, I know that there's no such thing as perfection, but I try to achieve the level of perfection in doing my work as virtual paralegal by being receptive to the instructions of the attorneys, even upskilling my competencies to better serve the attorneys, and being adaptable in any situation where I am put in. I am determined, and I am a successful employee or a virtual paralegal who is proactive and thinks a few steps ahead. Me being your virtual paralegal, I don't wait for instructions. I anticipate what needs to be done and I handle it. If there are things that needs clarification, for sure that's the time where I can communicate and ask for clarification to the attorneys and also for updates. But most of the time, I work independently without so much supervision. Me being resourceful and with initiative and have this proactive mindset that has helped me build strong, trusting relationship, honesty, and transparency with every attorneys I work with in US firms. Now, if you will ask me as to why I left my previous job, being a virtual paralegal in the U.S. criminal defense law firm, one, because my contract ended, and second, at that same time, I believe that I am ready to experience a different environment where I can contribute and grow. I like seeing myself with the firm working for years or more than years with my dedication and loyalty to that firm. Now, that's everything in mind, and that would be all for now. Thank you for your time in seeing me, and I hope I can see you in Zoom hopefully soon. Thank you and have a great day, and bye for now. This is Marvin. Thank you.